I'm going to plant the early prolific straight neck. It takes about 50 days to harvest. Our soil blocks are ready. Our seeds have been soaking overnight. This is the summer yellow squash. The variety is early prolific straight neck. These straight neck squash are to be planted 1 inch deep. Now it's time to cover them with a pinch of soil. I'm going to be planting summer squash. This is the early prolific straight neck yellow squash. In planting the yellow summer squash, it likes full sun, and if you're not going to be planting as a transplant, they like to be planted about 1 inch deep. Yellow squash is a heavy feeder, so a good all-purpose fertilizer will work well. I'm going to be using Dr. Earth all-purpose fertilizer. I'm also going to be using this Espoma plant start food. So I'm using the drip tape water system, and the squash needs to be planted anywhere from 2 to 3 feet apart. I'm going to be putting down some compost that I made last year. It's ready to go. And I'm going to put the drip tape down inside the trench here. Next, I'm going to add some fertilizer. A spoon of the plant start food. And about a tablespoon of the all-purpose Dr. Earth fertilizer. I'm going to put a little bit of water in. Now I'm going to plant the squash. Cover it up. I'm going to finish planting all of it, and I'll bring you back when I'm done. The yellow straight neck squash has been transplanted. Next is the care and the maintenance. I'm back to give you an update on the yellow summer squash. They're looking really good. It is this row right here. I have lots of blooms down the road. This is a female one here. You can see the baby squash on the back side. Look at that beautiful flower. And here's another yellow squash plant, lots of blooms. We can see the baby squash coming on here. I'm back to give you an update on the yellow summer squash. It has gone quite well. I have not had any problems with any kind of insects at this point, and I have not had any problems with powdery mildew. High humidity and rain puts the plants at risk for powdery mildew, and so far this season we have not had very much rain, so that has kind of kept that issue at bay. But today is a day of harvest, and so I'm going to come in and do my first picking. My first squash.